Wow. There's a lot more crab than I thought.
It's called a crab cake.
You ain't lying. You did this right. Oh, wow.
What?
Bobby Flay ain't got nothing on this.
What's happening?
No, babe, that's not how you do it. It's what's happening.
Can I start my own video? This is my cooking video, please.
You got it.
So today I will be making crab cake for the first time. If you like or don't like crab cake, we want to know. So leave us a comment down below and also like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more videos of this. The list of ingredients I will be using today will be in the description below if you'd like to try this at home. So let's get started. So I went ahead and shredded the crab cake in a separate bowl. Now I'm mixing all the other ingredients together before mixing it with the crab cake. I don't usually use measuring tools when it comes to cooking. I usually just go by how much I need, or throughout me mixing everything together, I'll taste it to make sure that it doesn't become too salty or if it doesn't become too sweet. There's nothing wrong with using tools. When I first started cooking, I used tools myself. I still kind of do when it comes to baking, and yeah. After mixing everything together, I went ahead and wrapped up the crab cake and placed it in the fridge just to let everything marinate together for about 30 to 45 minutes. So the next thing I'm going to prepare is the remoulade sauce, because you can't have a crab cake without the remoulade. So what I'm doing is, in the bowl I already have my celery, chopped parsley, and garlic. I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together. I also end up adding lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and honey. And it tastes so good. Secret recipe. Yeah. After everything was mixed together, I tasted, I liked my results, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up and put it in the fridge. So the next thing I'm gonna do is start on my potatoes and asparagus. While I'm cooking, I always make sure that I'm cleaning. So I'm gonna start shaping the crab cake to the form that I want them to be in. I don't want them too big, and I don't want them too small, and I don't want them too flat, and I don't want them too tall. So yeah, so I went ahead and add a little piece just to try out to see if the oil is ready, and it looks like it's about to be. So let's get frying. I don't usually fry food at my house. I usually saute everything in butter. So it's my first time actually using pure sunflower oil. I actually ended up liking it because the crab cake wasn't too oily. It came out perfectly. It gave me that golden brown that I was looking for. So I think this is like a keeper. How many of you guys love it when you hear like the frying sound when you're frying food? I just love it. It's just like a calm, it's like rain when you sleep, you know? It's like, it's just so relaxing. It just makes you know that your food is just cooking. You can always adjust how light or how dark you want the outside to be. I like mine a little bit brown just because I like the crispiness from it when I bite into it. For my asparagus, I like to cook it in butter, salt, and pepper. I don't really add too much other ingredients to it. They taste perfectly fine with just salt and pepper. For my potatoes, I usually don't boil them, but I went ahead and boiled them this time just for them to cook faster. So I went ahead and sauteed them in the sunflower oil, salt, and pepper. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It's free. There's no cost to you at all. Just hit the subscribe button and we will see you on our next video. Now I'm just waiting for my husband to come home and try this cooking and hopefully like it. All right, you guys. See you next time. Peace.
Wow. There's a lot more crab than I thought.
It's called a crab cake.
You ain't lying. You did this right. Oh, wow. Look, what is it, Bobby Flay?
What?
Bobby Flay ain't got nothing on this.